Hi, I'm Sarika Benjamin and welcome back to my channel Benji's Home Cooking. Today I bring to you a very healthy and nutritious breakfast recipe that is packed with fiber and protein. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and follow us on social media for more interesting information and updates. So today we are going to make dosas out of whole green gram or moong which are sprouted. I've taken 1 cup of sprouted moong, half a teaspoon of jeera, a small piece of ginger, 2 green chilies and a few curry leaves. You can adjust the spice according to your taste. This is not only a very nutritious recipe but a quick one too. Now for the sprouted moong, I have taken 1 cup of whole green gram, washed it, soaked it in enough water for about 5 to 6 hours, drained the water and left it to sprout overnight. That is after draining the water. So add all the ingredients, add enough salt to taste and add a little bit of water and make it into a smooth paste. We don't need to add too much water at the very beginning. So this is the kind of a thick consistency that we get after grinding it. So we'll remove the batter in a bowl and add a little more water to the mixie and make sure that we use up all the batter that is stuck here and mix it well. You can at this stage check for salt. If you need a little extra salt, you can add some. So this is how the batter should look like. It's not very thick nor very thin. So the next step is to add a few drops of oil on a tawa and heat it on a medium heat. And once the tawa is hot enough, I'm going to drop a ladle full of batter and make dosas. So just with a gentle hand rotate it and make it into round dosas. Add a little bit of oil. If you have a good non-stick pan, you can actually go oil-free on these dosas or you could use ghee instead, whatever is your preference. Now these dosas are not crispy. They are supposed to be soft. So once cooked nice and brown on one side, you can turn it and the moong dal dosa is ready. This is a very good way of including sprouts in your diet. Some people eat their sprouts raw, some like to season it or boil it. This is yet another creative way of using it. So here I have put another dosa on the tawa. I'm using very little oil to roast these dosas, but you could even opt for ghee and it tastes equally good. So once it is well roasted from one side, I'm just going to flip it so that both sides are well cooked. And once it is cooked for a few seconds, I've turned it again and I'm just going to add a little bit of onions and chilli flakes for taste. This is just one kind of stuffing for the dosa, but you could probably, grate some cheese or grate some paneer. Or if you are someone who likes to include eggs in your breakfast, you can just, add a little bit of beaten egg on top of this and then flip it again and you have your egg moong dal dosa ready. So there are so many creative ways in which you can use these sprouts and make it into a very nutritious, healthy breakfast and a good beginning to your day. Eat these dosas with a nice chutney of your choice, and I hope you have enjoyed this healthy and nutritious recipe.